Alright folks, I'm back at Johnny's place and we're checking out the Baha'i Kubos, and I'm gonna give you a tour of these Baha'i Kubos and how much they cost. Alright my friend, how much is this one right here? Now folks, this is just a hangout area. 20? Okay, so this one's 20,000. That's $400 US. And you deliver and install it. You deliver, free delivery and installation. Alright folks, so you're looking at 400 bucks for this Baha'i Kubo. And let me come over here and give you a better look at it. Now that's a pretty nice little gazebo, I guess we'd call that back in the States. But that's 400 bucks, 20,000. And now this one here is much more elaborate. How much is this one, Johnny? 30,000. Okay, so we're looking at $600 here, but it is delivered and set up at your place. But I want you to check this out. This one has a table, and folks, you could basically live in here. Like, I mean, this is a queen size bed basically. You could sleep over there. This is the kitchen. You know, put you a little grill over here on this end. And most people, a lot of people, they run electric, so you hang some electric lights. A little table, another little table. 600 US on this gem of a Baha'i Kubo. And Fatima yesterday was in the blue dress. Today she's in the red dress. And how much is this one, Johnny? 45,000. Okay, 45,000 on this one. And folks, we're talking about basically a small house here. 45,000 is 900 US. Okay, so a lot of people want to know, can I come to the Philippines and live for cheap? Oh, and this one has well, how do we get in? Okay, the door's right here. Well, look folks, this actually has a door, and it comes with a table. This is the hangout area. You've got shelves, 1, 2, 3 shelves. And it's a nice cool day here, but the breeze is coming through this little Baha'i Kubo. Look at that. You got a door, and you've even got a bedroom. Oh my goodness. Folks, check this out. There's the bottom deck, and then you stick your kids up here. Alright, the kids got to climb up there, so mom and dad down here, kids up the ladder. And you've got a couple of windows for ventilation. Make that 3 windows. 1, 2, and the attic ventilation. And what I would do is just put a exhaust fan, you know, pulling air, pulling air through all the windows. And check this out. Now, folks, this is basically a cabin. This is not a Baha'i Kubo. You can live in here, and a lot of people here in the Philippines, they do live in something of this fashion. If we went back down to Fatima's village, this is probably what we would be living in. And you're looking at, what did I say, 900 US dollars. Some people say, how cheap can I live in the Philippines? Well, there you go, 900 US dollars. He will build this, bring it to your site. It's free delivery. Okay, free delivery. And right now I'm standing in Subic town. So if you're anywhere near Barrio Barreto or Subic. Okay, and what are these similar? These are the same? Okay, these are the same. These are all 45. And folks, so he's got 4 in stock right now, ready to go. And let me just give you another angle from a distance. Okay, and this one back here's got different windows. Well, no, it doesn't. He just doesn't have the windows installed in it yet. But look at the size of this unit. Okay, if you're a single dude, tired of the rat race in the West, and you want to come to the Philippines, if you can find somebody that will, you just go to one of your neighbors and say, hey, how much for me to put a Baha'i Kubo in your yard? they'll rent you the space dirt cheap per month. You spend $1,000 on that, you spend $500 on a TV, you know what, $400 on a ref. I say $2,000. You got a livable spot that will put you here in the Philippines. And like I said, just find somebody that'll rent you a little land, and you find a guy like Johnny that will bring it, set it up. Now, obviously, you need some restroom facilities, but like if you're in my wife's village, there are 2 communal outhouses for the entire village. Nobody has their own restroom, their own CR. So folks, I'm really digging this unit right here. I'm trying to figure out where I can put it, but that is too cool. And I'm sitting here calling it a Bahay Kubo, a Nipa hut, folks, the Nipa. That made me sound like a newcomer, but I just couldn't think of the word. Folks, there you are. There's the tour. And again, I'm here at Johnny's shop, right across from the Walter Mart in Subic. And now I've got to go back to negotiating over some bamboo furniture with Johnny. But there's your look around. And what a nice one right here at a great price. But if it, you know, this is the hangout, and that's the cabin. So really, if you really wanted a spot, you get a cabin and a hangout spot. That way when the family comes over, you put everybody in here, and they don't come over to the cabin and stink up your place. All right, folks, so just cut a deal with my buddy Johnny. He's gonna be delivering some bamboo furniture over to our spot on Saturday. And I want to thank Johnny for hooking us up with a good deal. And it looks like he's got some furniture going out right now. But he's got to stain. He's got to work on staining one of our sets tomorrow, so that's why we're getting it Saturday. Just because we picked one out that didn't have the stain on it yet. Other than that, he would have brought it right away. But he's going to stain it tomorrow, let it dry, bring it on Saturday. And folks, if you come here to Johnny's spot, you tell him Marco sent you. Show him this video. And again, we are located right here across from the Walter Mart and the Subic Rural Health Unit. And I'm not exactly sure the name of his spot, but I just call it Johnny's. Just look for the bamboo, my friends. Ask for Johnny. Tell him Marco sent you. All right, it's time to ride. Thanks for joining me.
Way home now? Yeah, head for the house.
Got a load of furniture going out. Folks, I want to thank you for joining me on this short video, giving you a tour of the Nipa Huts, the Bahay Kubos, here at Johnny's spot. I'll see you on the next video, my friends. Life in the Philippines, it's all good. Peace out.